Racing just is started. We have Golden Money first to show quickness at a start. Pocket Rocket in second. Typhoon Doring is racing in third. Matikas rushing up now is Flight Attendant to take fourth. And going along for the first turn, we have Golden Money by about 4 lengths. Pocket Rocket in second. Running by the rail is Flight Attendant. Typhoon Doring is racing in fourth, while Matikas is still running at the tail of the field by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Golden Money by about 4 lengths. Pocket Rocket in second. Flight Attendant is down on the inside third. Typhoon Doring comes next, while Matikas is still racing in last. Inside the dress octavo, we have Golden Money maintaining a 3 lengths lead, and in second is Flight Attendant. Pocket Rocket, Typhoon Doring, while Matikas is still racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Golden Money, Flight Attendant, Pocket Rocket, then here comes Typhoon Doring moving up now on the outside. We have entry number 2, Golden Money, Typhoon Doring moving up on the outside, and I was saying it's my turn to take the lead, and finally we have Typhoon Doring. Second is Golden Money, Pocket Rocket, Matikas.
One C.
Almost.
Muntik na naman, no?
Yeah.
Pinakadiyado sa lahat.